Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will talk about how to switch your business Instagram account to personal account. It's very simple to convert your business account to personal account because of this is my personal account and I was converting this account as a business, but my followers are not increased, so that's why I'm converting this account as a personal account. So you just follow this video instruction and easily transfer your business account to personal account. Before start the video, please follow me on Instagram like Research Rocks and visit number of European countries videos as well as some images. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. This is my mobile screen. Open my Instagram account. So this is my Instagram profile. Please follow me on the Instagram, and you look at this here, three lines are available. You press there and here options are available like setting. After enter the setting, here account options are available, and after entering the account option, here switch to account type. Here press that switch to account type and look at these two options are come, switch to personal account or switch to creator account. So I click here switch to personal account, click and switch back to personal account. If you switch back personal account, create instant from promotion will be lost. You also won't able to access instant currently features, posters, stories. You can switch back on business account or at any time. Okay, I switch to personal account here. Wait couple of seconds and now my account is switched as a personal account. It's very simple. Look at this here. Here some profile is also changed. It's very simple. You convert your business account to personal account. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.